Hi friends. So in today's video, we are going to see about the law of circulation. So if you have seen our yesterday's video, which is money is power or money is energy, then you would be more connected. Or if you haven't seen that, please go through it. I'll put a link in the description. So myself, Dr. Hemant Patil, I'm an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I'm on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. So what do you mean by law of circulation? As we have seen that money is energy, and the energy always like to move, right? As we must have heard this from the history, like Einstein and all had said. And energy is not a constant, it's just changes its form, right? And that's why it should be in a circulation. And that's why money as it's also energy, it should be in a circulation. The more you keep this in a circulation, there are more chances, yeah, you will be able to increase that flow of money towards you. And how to do that? So there are several ways. We are in our course are covering how to build our treasure system. There also we are giving a allocation system, how to put your money into different sets. And in that way also you are doing and increasing that circulation process faster. Second thing, sometimes people feel that paying bills or paying dues is a problem, but when you think in that way you stop the energy. But in the same way, whenever you need to pay some bills, obviously you have to pay those bills because you are getting the electricity bill or rent or whatever those. When you start giving your energy at that time, that is also important, because those given energy not only allows the law of circulation to happen, but also it improves more energy towards that money which goes outside. In the same way, it allows more money to come inside. And this is a science of a money. And another way of increasing the energy by law of circulation is doing charities. So a fixed percentage, maybe you can start with 1%, 2%, or even to up to 10%, whatever you feel like. We have also have a video for how to give back. And if you haven't checked that, please go through that also. So when you do charity, first thing, you get a satisfaction in your mind, your hormonal level changes and you get more better feeling, first things. And the second thing, what important is, the law of circulation works in a proper way, because whenever you give, there are more channels getting open inside you, and that allows more money flow to happen. So these are some simple strategies which can increase your energy level by doing and following the law of circulation. So I would suggest all of you to at least put down some small points. Where are those possibilities where you can donate or make a charity? At least start with 1%, means 1% of whatever the total profits you are getting. Then at least starts with giving energy to all your bills or outward payments. At least start with this. And whenever you're doing any payments, just be in a receptive mode that whatever you are giving, the more than that is coming already. And when you do that, the change in energy will give you more results. So in a simple way, I've tried to explain this. If you have still have any queries, please post it down and I would be very happy to answer all of your questions. And if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel also and share it to others. Thank you.